for joining us this morning on San Antonio Living. Here's what we have coming up for you tomorrow. Just in time for summer, we're checking out some of the newest additions at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. They've got something called the Bahama Blaster. We're going to tell you all about that. And if you're interested in getting into the real estate game, the must-attend event to get you started with information and networking. We've got that and a whole lot more tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. All right, summertime, spruce up time. If you're considering, letting the body, getting it shaped up, we know exactly who you should see. Dr. Thomas Jeneby is joining us this morning. Hello. And of course, Anissa Snyder is here, one of his patients. It's good to see you guys.
Always a pleasure.
The old summer tune-up, it's time. So what's trending right now when it comes to plastic surgery?
In my office, obviously, breast augmentation season has started. And so we're offering a combination of breast aug with lipo. And of course, I do adjustable breast implants,
right,
which I've been doing now 10 years. And we do the most in the country right here in San Antonio.
People at home, they're like, what, adjustable breast implants? How does that work?
Anissa, why don't you go ahead? She's one of my great patients.
Yes. Okay, so tell me, Anissa, first, you went in, you wanted to have your breasts done.
Yes.
And did you know about the adjustable deal?
I actually did not know about the adjustable implants going in to meet Dr. Jeneby. He told me because I was unsure of what size I wanted to be. I've never really had boobs in my lifetime. So he highly suggested that I go with adjustable implants.
Okay.
And it was a very easy procedure. Recovery was nothing. Pain was never more than a 2.
Really?
Yes. And the soreness was gone away in like a week.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, I know women who go in for breast implants and they come out and they're like, oh man, they're too big. And so they wait a while and then they have to undergo another surgery. And then they're like, oh man, they're too small. And then they spend another thousands of dollars. This solves that problem because you don't have to keep taking them in and out. You can just adjust them.
Yeah, I mean, it's called breast remorse. And the number one reason people go back to surgery from breast augs is 37% go back for size change.
Right.
37%. In my hands, it's 0.05% because you have these 2 devices in for only 6 months. They're out after 6 months. You can adjust up to 3 and 4 and 5 times.
Amazing.
It's awesome.
Okay, so did you start out too big or too small?
I started out too small.
Like everybody.
Yeah. You know, it happens. You don't want to go too big or you're nervous. But you're right. You can change them up to 6 months out. That's a really great invention there.
Yes. It's revolutionized what I do. I don't do any other surgery but that. And most surgeons will do something they're comfortable with and that works. And now it's been 3,000 or 4,000 patients. It works. It's awesome.
Who's a good candidate for the adjustable breast augmentation?
I don't have any bad candidates. I would say that most women they listen to too many people about their breasts. They just come in, I don't want them too big. And all of a sudden, they're like, Dr. Jeneby, you were right. I shouldn't have listened to anybody. I'm glad I had these.
Right, okay. Yeah. Okay, so how many times did you have them adjusted?
I've had them adjusted 4 times already.
And so when you go in, it was just a little pump of air, or what? How does it work?
Actually, through the ports, a needle is inserted, totally painless, inserted under each port, under each breast, and saline solution is injected through them.
How long does that take?
Less than 5 minutes.
Wow, okay. So are you happy?
I am very happy. I am very happy. I mean, he's an amazing surgeon.
Yeah.
I cannot give him enough props for how much he's improved the quality of my life. Yeah. I mean, I look hot naked.
Hey,
that's what matters.
Hot with your clothes on too.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so let's talk about, this is one option for you, but you've got something going on called Vanquish, and you were here a couple of months ago. You debuted the machine here on San Antonio Living. What does that machine do, and how are your results coming?
The Vanquish machine is a radio frequency device, fits over your body, as you remember. It never touches you, and for 30 minutes you sit there, you talk, you hang out, and then you get up. Your body changes in the next couple of days, whereby the fat that was radiated by this radio frequency, safe frequency, starts to melt.
Oh, I like that.
And then you just start to absorb it. Now, it doesn't take the place of me for 40 minutes under anesthesia.
Sure.
But for people who are a little tepid, they don't want to undergo surgery, 4 to 12 treatments spaced 1 week apart. I see anywhere between 2 to 6 inches of contouring.
Wow.
And
That's
then we have a machine
lot.
afterward that will shrink your skin.
Okay. If that's if you're looking for a little more than 2 to 3 inches, liposuction still a good option for some people.
There's nothing that really substitutes for a good board-certified plastic surgeon working on you. It's like a difference between autopilot and piloting.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Well, you certainly do a great job. We're happy to have you here on the San Antonio Living Show. Anissa, thank you so much for coming and sharing your story with us.
Definitely.
Guys, it is the time to do it now before summer season is too far gone. We've got a very special offer for our San Antonio Living viewers this morning. The first 10 callers are going to receive $99 Vanquish treatments, and that's the machine that melts the fat. And again, that is with Dr. Thomas Jeneby. If you're looking for any other services, he is a board-certified plastic surgeon, and he specializes in adjustable breast implants. All the information is there on your screen. Dr. Thomas Jeneby on Wurzbach Road. The number to call for a consultation is 270-8595. Again, 270-8595. And don't forget, the first 10 callers are going to get that $99 Vanquish treatment. All the information there on your screen.